This is Eliora. Today I will share one of the activities I do in my village. It's collecting Mahua flowers. In Myanmar, they are called thaka nata or mezepan. Mahua flowers normally bloom in the first week of May, the hottest month in Myanmar. So this video was taken during that time. There is only one Mahua tree in our village. It's in my grandparents' banana field. After collecting the flowers, we usually send drying the flowers. Mix the dried flowers with the honey. Some people consume the flowers as tea or porridge. For me, I consume fresh flowers as soon as I collect them. They're so sweet and the fragrance resembles the rice water. A pleasant smell. As an office worker, I only get a weekend to stay in a village. I normally arrive at the village during the afternoon on Saturdays and leave around noon on Sundays. So I had limited time to spend and had to color flowers in the evening on the day of arrival. My cousins always follow me wherever I go. It's good. I got companions when collecting flowers. It takes 10 minutes from my grandma's house to the tree. Let's go! After 10 minutes, we arrived at our destination. You can see a very big Mahua tree. Well, let's go under the tree. Mahua flowers fall from the trees in the morning. You can get fresh flowers in the morning. However, in the evening, they are already dried because of the sun. My cousin helped me collect the flowers. They're very good little brothers and sisters. A few minutes later, my brothers couldn't focus anymore and started playing around us. So cute. We girls were chit-chatting, looking for the most fresh flowers from the dried flowers and collected them. Banana stem as again? Not a bad idea for a place where a twine gun cannot be bought easily. We girls still collecting flowers. I have to admit that I cannot focus on doing the same repetitive things for a long time. So I also stopped collecting the flowers, picked them directly from the trees where I could reach them, and put them in my hut. My sister was removing sepals and stems from the flowers that I picked. For me, I just squeezed gently the lower part of the sepals and the flowers came out. We only got a small amount of flowers. It was already late and we went back home. We had decided to come back the next day morning for fresh flowers. On the way home, there's a big silk cotton tree. I like blowing the silk cotton, but it did not fly away. The next day morning, seeing Java cassia pink shower tree in the early morning is a blessing. What a beautiful sight to fulfill the morning routine. Since I was not satisfied with yesterday's collection, I woke up early and went to the tree around 7 a.m. Of course, my cousins also followed me. I prefer the morning time to go to the tree since it's not very hot in the morning. Even a spring breeze ruffled the tree. A very pleasant weather and fresh air. As you all see, there are many fresh Mahua flowers on the ground. I was collecting happily. Meanwhile, my cousin, who was taking videos of me the whole time, was playing hide and seek with younger cousins instead of doing his job. A lonely village girl was still collecting the flowers. To be honest, it's kind of a relaxing therapy for me. got more flowers than yesterday. I was so happy. It's time to go home. My cousins like to hold my hands while walking. They are so sweet. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos. God bless you.